Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. PPSC lecturer statistics preparation paper was conducted on 15th May 2022 Sunday. Today I will discuss very important questions. I will discuss the key of that paper with you people. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone don't miss a single MCQ because that MCQs can be the part of the paper of PPSC lecturer statistics. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following standard probability density functions is not applicable to continuous random variable? Dear students, we know Gaussian distribution, which is also called normal, it is for continuous random variable. Exponential, it is also for continuous. Rayleigh is also for continuous. So Poisson distribution is the correct answer. Poisson, binomial, negative binomial, hypergeometric, geometric, these all for the discrete. I requested you many times, I suggested you many times, read the question 2 or 3 times. What is the real meaning of that question? Then you will have to read all the 4 options. The question was which is not for continuous. Not for continuous means which is actually discrete, and Poisson is the discrete one. Question number 2. The prior information is used in Bayesian. A very important. What is the area under a conditional cumulative density function? It is 1. If a variable can certain integer values between two given points is called discrete. If it is 0, that will be continuous. Next, in a regression studies, 97% confidence interval for beta 1 was given as, I told you that concept of very important for the interview also. The beta 1, which is H naught, it lies in that given interval of confidence interval. If it lies, then what will you say? Fail to reject H naught at alpha is equal to 0.05 and all smaller alpha. Next question is, out of the following values, which one is not possible in probability? Summation px, a very confusing question. Xp of x, it can be more than 1, it can be negative also, but the question is, the correct one is p of x is equal to minus 0.25. Negative probability can never be possible. In a multiple regression model, when x are predictor and y is the dependent variable, multicollinearity occurs when the x provide redundant information about y, because they are correlated with one another. That's why they are giving redundant information about the response variable. Next is, according to null hypothesis of ANOVA F test, which predictor variables are providing significant information about the response? None of them. Stationarity means probability distribution of the time series variable does not change over time. Stationary, they are stationary. Parameters in Bayesian are random. The parameters of the prior distribution are hyperparameters. In Bayesian, inferences depend on the posterior distribution. If expectation of x is 2, expectation of z is 5, then how will you find out expectation of z minus x? That will be expectation of z minus expectation of x, and that will be 5 minus 2 will be 3. In a regression and correlation, if r square is equal to 1, a very important concept for paper as well as interview, it means that sum of square of regression is equal to sum of square of total. All the variation in the dependent variable has been explained by all the independent variables. That is the meaning of coefficient of determination is 1. Next is, if r square is 0, it means no variation has been explained by the independent variables. SSE will be equal to SST. P value is the exact as well as least, it means both. Which is the characteristic of the normal distribution? It is bell shaped, it is symmetric, mean, median, mode are equal for any normal random variable. We have solved many questions in BSc. That will be equal to probability of x greater than equal to mu, and the area is 1, all of the above. In a regression analysis, sum of square of error is given, it is 250. Sum of square of regression is given, it is 350. Then the coefficient of determination r square you have to calculate. Sum of square of regression over sum of square of total you will have to find out, and total will be the plus of these two. 250 plus 350 will be 600. It means 350 over 600, and the correct option will be 0.58. Likelihood function is the joint distribution of the sample observations. Next is, suppose in the regression analysis the total sum of squares in response is 140. Total sum of square is 140,450, and the correlation coefficient R is 0.75. Please take the square of this much. 0.75 square you will have to take. Then the residual sum of square, adopt the same method, and you will have to find out. The correct option was 61447. Bayesian is a generalization of the Bayes theorem. Next is, if x is a random variable and its PDF is expectation of log x, and it represents geometric mean, not the logarithm mean. A term used to describe the case when the independent variables in multiple regression model are correlated is multicollinearity. There is no concept of dash in Bayesian biasedness. Next, the distribution function of the uniform. We have learnt it many times. X minus A over B minus A. The MGF of the Poisson distribution is e power mu into e power t minus 1. The mean of the uniform distribution is A plus B over 2. What is the heteroscedasticity? When the variances of the error term are not constant, we have heteroscedasticity. Parameters are dash in classical inference, they are fixed. The variance of the uniform distribution is B minus A whole square over 12. The mean and standard deviation in Poisson in exponential are equal. The quantile function of the exponential distribution is minus ln 1 minus r over lambda. In a normal curve, the ordinate is highest at its mean, median and mode. The augmented Dickey-Fuller unit root test can be used for stationarity. Risk is expected value of the loss. Which type of error is more severe? Type 2 error, when we accept H naught, when it is actually false. The idea of testing of hypothesis was given by Neyman. The idea of confidence interval was also given by the same person, Neyman. Rank correlation was introduced by Spearman. Regression was introduced by Galton. Sufficiency was introduced by Fisher. Chi-square test was first used by Cole Pearson. The range of the Z is minus infinity plus infinity. 1 minus alpha is confidence coefficient. Power of the test is 1 minus beta. Lomax distribution is positively skewed. The mean of the Lomax will be lambda over alpha minus 1. In multiple regression model, linear regression, the square of the multiple correlation coefficient is R square. It is coefficient of determination also. D both A and C. The survival function is non-increasing. The hazard function is the ratio of the PDF and the survival over survival function. Mean, median and mode are dash in the normals. They are same. Which regression method is used for predicting the continuous dependent variable? We use linear regression. What are the residuals? The difference between the residual is the difference between observed value and the expected value of the dependent variable, y minus y hat. When the random variable x and y are independent, it has zero covariance. A random variable is also called chance variable, stochastic variable, both. If x is the continuous random variable, then the expected value is given by a very in continuous we have this much, x into p of x. In discrete we have summation x into p of x. The mean for the exponential distribution equals the mean, a very important, of the Poisson when lambda is equal to 1. A very unique question. If the random variable takes negative values, the probability will be positive. It can never be negative. Please keep in mind. What will be the properties of OLS estimated in the presence of the multicollinearity? It will be consistent, unbiased and efficient. The mode of the exponential is 0. The variance of the binomial depends upon number of trials, P and Q also. If x follows uniform with 14 and 22, then the variance will be b minus a whole square over 12, 20 minus 14 whole square over 12, 36 over 12, it will be 3, and the standard deviation will be under root 3. The mean of the binomial depends upon number of trials and probability of success. Dash is referred to the rectangular uniform. The distribution function of a random variable will be non-decreasing. Heteroscedasticity have linear regression with constant error terms. MGF of Bernoulli is q plus p e raised to power t, and if I put power n, that will be for binomial. Binomial distribution has two parameters. In binomial, beta 1 will be equal to 1 minus 2p whole square over npq. They can ask about beta 2 also. In binomial, mean is equal to NP, S is equal to under root NPQ, mean is greater than variance, all of these. CV is independent of scale but not origin. Last index number has upward bias. Factor reversal test is satisfied by Fisher. Index numbers have no unit because they are in the ratio form. Range of multiple correlation is 0 to infinity. 0 to 1. Range of Poisson will be 0 to infinity. Range of regression coefficient is minus infinity to plus infinity. The sum of absolute deviation taken from median is minimum. The sum of square of deviation taken from mean is minimum. Mean, median and mode are independent of they are not independent of origin and scale. Graph of time series is histogram. Graph of frequency distribution is histogram. There are 4 components of time series, which is true. We know R is equal to under root byx into bxy. It is a pure number. It is independent of origin and scale. It ranges from -1 to +1. Regression coefficient is independent of origin. R is independent of origin as well as scale. In Poisson distribution, all the cumulants are equal and they are equal to the parameter lambda or mu. But all the means are not equal. Mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3 is equal to mu, but mu4 is equal to actually mu plus 3 mu square. A very important concept. Bernoulli trial is a special case of binomial. In hypergeometric, when capital N approaches infinity, it approaches to binomial. In negative binomial, mean is less than variance. In negative binomial, trials are independent and number of successes are fixed, but number of trials are not fixed. For the data, for example, 3, 4, 5, 7, and a value is 1004, then mean will be greater than its median. And they can ask also, it is positively skewed. Classical probability was introduced by Laplace. Mean deviation is independent of origin, which is true. Gamma 1 is under root beta 1, gamma 2 is beta 2 minus 3, M3 is 0, means no skewness. All of these are correct. Box plots was introduced by John Tukey. Confidence interval was introduced by Neyman. Regression was introduced in 1877. Range of partial is -1 to +1. Range of chi-square is 0 to infinity. Range of F distribution is 0 to plus infinity. Dear students, at the end I request everyone must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.